I was washing my BYD Seal the other day and I realized I could not lift up the wipers to clean them because the bonnet seems to be in the way. The wipers are designed to be hidden so we don't see them when we are driving, which is great, but how do we clean them? And I remember there is a wiper settings somewhere in the vehicle settings, so I started hunting for it. And yes, of course, whenever we are trying to look for a particular settings, we just couldn't find it. And I'm not talking about this auto wiper settings underneath the greeting menu. I remember there is something to do with wiper servicing or wiper cleaning. And after clicking through all the menus, it's here. It's in the vehicle health settings and hidden inside the overhaul menu. Turning on this wiper settings will set the wiper in this fixed position, and turning it off will lower it back. Now, be careful not to turn it off when the wiper is lifted off the windscreen, in case it swings the wiper back and hit the bonnet. Hi everyone, welcome to another Sky Perspective video. Now, jumping to underneath the dash, I recently realized the charging power of the USB-A port is a lot lesser than from the USB-C port. The USB-C seems to be outputting a higher wattage for quick charge compared to the USB-A port. And when I plug in my Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra to the USB-A port, it shows normal charging and it will take 1 hour and 50 minutes to charge to full. And when I change it over to the USB-C port, it shows fast charging. And this time, it's a lot faster too. Only 1 hour and 5 minutes. That's 45 minutes lesser. I'm not sure if it is because my USB-A cable is different from my USB-C to C cable. Let's try another one of my USB-A cables, just to make sure it's not my previous USB-A cable that is slowing it down. And yep, confirm, the second cable is still the same with the first USB-A cable. It's showing normal charging and taking 1 hour and 50 minutes to charge to full. So in case you have tried the USB-A port and realize it's super slow charging your phone, give the USB-C port a go. I'll be making another video on this, and I'll also test out the rear passenger seat USB-A and C ports. Oh, and my Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is well and truly capable of wireless charging. So why am I not using the BYD Seal built-in wireless charger? I'll let all of you take a guess in the comments down below. Thanks for watching this one, and I'll see you in the next video.